Hello and welcome. We are discussing previous year questions of number system and the theme is unit digit of the result. So before moving on to any previous year problem, let's understand the meaning of the theme and the concept related to the theme. I hope you know about unit digit, but let's revise. Suppose if I'm saying there is a number 231. What is the unit digit of this number? We all can say it easily that unit digit of this number is 1. Now, suppose you have something like this 24 into 25. Now I'm asking you what is the unit digit of the result. So what you people will do? You will multiply 24 with 25. Your answer is 600. Right? And now you can easily figure it out that unit digit of the result is 0. Hence, unit digit of the result of this expression should be 0. Now, there is one more way of calculating the unit digit of an expression. Let me tell you that as well. See, our product was 24 into 25. I want to find out the unit digit of the result. So, pay attention to unit digits of the individual number. For example, in 24, unit digit is 4. So, pick 4 only. Then the sign is product. Then from 25, pick 5 only. Unit digit gonna be 5. Hence, now if you do 4 into 5, your answer is 20. Now the unit digit of 20 is 0. Hence, unit digit of 24 into 25 should be 0. I hope guys this is clear to everybody. Now this is the meaning of the theme. Let's understand some shortcuts, some fundas related to this theme. See, now I have written something on the board. Let's understand their meaning. 1 raised to the power n, what does it mean? It means any number which ends with 1 having power any natural number will produce 1 as the unit digit. For example, if I do 11 raised to the power 11 and I want to find out unit digit of the result, so see, the unit digit of 11 raised to the power 11 and see, in the base, this 11 ends with 1. So, unit digit of 11 raised to the power 11 and unit digit of 1 raised to the power 11 should be 1 only. See, 1 raised to the power any natural number will produce 1 as the unit digit. This is the meaning of the very first line. Okay, let's understand one more point out of these given points. See, over here it is written 7 raised to the power 4n equals 1. It means a number which ends with 7 raised to the power any multiple of 4 will produce 1 as the unit digit. Suppose you want to find out what is the unit digit of 17 power 4. So, unit digit of 17 power 4 and 7 power 4 will be same, and we just learned the fact 7 raised to the power any multiple of 4 will produce 1 as the unit digit. So, 17 power 4 and 7 power 4, both of these results will have 1 as the unit digit. Okay. Now, 17 power 8, 7 power 8 will have 1 as the unit digit again. Why? Because we know 7 raised to the power any multiple of 4. 7 raised to the power any multiple of 4 will produce what? 1 as the unit digit. Hence, 17 power 8 will produce 1 as the unit digit. Now, let's understand one more uh, point over here, and then we'll move on to the question. Let's talk about this case. Now, it means 8 power any multiple of 4, 4 into n meaningly multiple of 4 will produce 6 as the unit digit in the result. Now, suppose 18 power 40. The unit digit of 18 power 40 and unit digit of 8 power 40 will be 6. Why? Because 8 raised to the power any multiple of 4 will produce what? 6 as the unit digit. I hope these concepts are clear. Let's solve some problem now. So this was the problem in your exam in 2023. The problem is, what is the unit digit in the expansion of 57242 raised to the power 9 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1. Now, so unit digit of 57242 raised to the power 9 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1 and unit digit of 2 raised to the power 9 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1 has to be same. Why? Because over here the base is ending with what? The base is ending with 2. Now, what is 9 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1? If you multiply them, it comes out to be equal to 2 power 945. It comes out to be equal to 2 power 945. Now, we just learned that in the last slide, I have written a lot of points, and in those points, one of the point was 2 raised to the power any multiple of 4 will produce 6 as the unit digit, right? So 2 raised to the power any multiple of 4. Now I have to find out whether this 945 is a multiple of 4 or not. So to do this, divide 945 by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 6s are 24. So I can see this 945 can be written as 2 raised to the power 4 into 236 plus 1. 1 is the remainder, 236 is the quotient, and 4 is the divisor. Okay, so this whole thing can be written as 2 raised to the power 4 raised to the power 236 into 2 raised to the power 1. Now 2 power 4 will produce 6 as the unit digit. So this will produce 6 as the unit digit. So 6 power 236 it is, into 2 power 1, so it's gonna be 2 only. Now further, 6 raised to the power anything, any natural number will produce 6 as the unit digit, and 2 raised to the power 1 will produce 2 as the unit digit. And finally, what is 6 into 2? 6 into 2 is what? 12. So unit digit of the result should be what? It should be 2. unit digit of the result should be what? It should be 2. Now kindly cross check. I hope you have understood it. Let's move on. Let's solve one more problem. Now, this was the problem in year 2021, and the problem is asking for remainder when 3 power 2019 is divided by 10. Now guys, remember the unit digit of a number and a number when divided by 10, remainder obtained gonna be same. Okay, meaningly, see what I'm telling you, let's understand this thing with the help of an example. 534, what is the unit digit of 534? It is 4 only, right? The unit digit of a number and the remainder obtained when the same number is divided by 10 is one as same thing. See, unit digit of 534 is what? 4. Now if you divide 534 by 10, then remainder obtained gonna be 4 again. How come? Let's check it out. 10 5s are 50, 10 3s are 30, remainder obtained is what? 4. So unit digit of a number and the remainder obtained when the same number is divided by 10 is one as same thing. So basically in this question, examiner is looking for unit digit of 3 power 2019. We know the fact that 3 power any multiple of 4 will produce 1 as the unit digit. So I have to check whether 2019 a multiple of 4 or not. For this, divide 2019 by 3. Sorry, by 4. 4 5s are 20. 1 0 0. 4 4s are 16. Now this 3 power 2019 can be written as 3 raised to the power 4 into 504 plus remainder is 3. And this further can be written as 3 power 4 whole power 504 into 3 power 3. Now we know that 3 power 4 will produce 1 as the unit digit. So this 3 power 4 can be replaced with 1. This whole thing raised to the power 504 into 3 cube will produce 7 as the unit digit. Okay, now 1 power 504 will produce 1 as the unit digit into 7, and ultimately our final unit digit is what? 7. Hence answer over here should be option C. I hope guys this is clear to everybody. Okay, now let's solve one more similar problem based upon unit digit. See, in this question, examiner is looking for what is the rightmost digit preceding the zeros in the value of 30 power 30. So, the rightmost digit in 30 power 30 will be the unit digit of 3 power 30. Why? 30 power 30 can be written as 3 into 10 power 30, which can further be written as 3 power 30 into 10 power 30. Now examiner is saying what will be the rightmost digit if we ignore all the tens, all the zeros. Ignoring all the zeros meaningly ignoring all the tens. So we are left out with 3 power 30. So unit digit of 3 power 30 and the answer of this question has to be same. 3 power 30 can be written as 3 power 4 into 7 plus 2. Now, which can further be written as 3 power 4 whole power 7 into 3 square. Now, 3 power 4 will produce 1 as the unit digit, so it becomes 1 power 7 into 3 square will produce 9 as the unit digit, and ultimate unit digit will comes out to be equal to what? 9. Hence, the answer of this question is option D. I hope guys you have understood it. Thank you.